I like to share with you guys, but I don't want to give you TMI. But I have no idea what a macerating toilet is. I'm scared to sit on it. I don't want my genitals to be macerated. I don't even know what that is. Maybe I'll just pee in the shower outside. Alright guys, what a day. We made it finally to the Airbnb. It is a tiny house. Let me show you. So guys, that's pretty much it. But like I said, when you travel, what all do you need? Really? You need a bed, maybe a TV. I don't even know if you need that. Got a microwave, sink, a little sitting area. But this is cool. Now let's see if I can do this without hurting myself. Before I do anything, let's turn this heater on. Let's see if I can figure this out. The review said it works pretty good and it heats the place up. So let's turn, oh, that's cool. Little fake fire. That's there's 1,000 watts, 15 watt, 100. There we go. Turn them both on. Get that sucker up high. I think that's just the light. I don't know which side is the heat. We'll let it get warmed up in here. But let me show you something. And as always, we have the famous backpack. Gotta travel with everything in one backpack. If it doesn't fit in there, I don't need it. Now this place also has a loft. Let me turn around. This is tiny. I'm looking at actually renting another tiny house on another trip I plan on doing. So, let's see if I can get up here without hurting myself. This may be my last video. I don't know how I'm going to do this and hold the camera at the same time, but I'm determined because you know me, I'm known to do stupid things. And, whoa, that's... No, we're not going to do that. We got to figure out... This is going to take two hands, so... Let's try this. Alright guys, here we go. Let's take shoes off first. Speaking of taking shoes off, we never went over today's socks. It is a Ren and Stimpy kind of day. I really want to try to get up here and quit holding this camera in my hand. Yeah, I guess this... Oh, okay, it actually has a little hook. There we go. See, I just needed to move it and hook it on. So let's try this again. That makes it a lot easier. So this is cool. It's like a little loft up here. Stained glass window. Let's see if I can figure this out. I'm so going to hurt myself before this day is over. Maybe if we put this here. Still recording? Yeah, there's going to be some editing done for sure. Alright, let's see if we can get up here. You know, even if I can get up, I don't know if I'll be able to get back down. This is stupid, this is stupid. I am too old for this. Oh. I just had this fear of that ladder. I get this fear of the ladder falling. It looks like there's a little heat vent right here. This heater here. Let's turn the light on. Maybe. Yeah. So it does have heat and cool mode. That turns the fan up. Ah, there we go. Switch it to heat. Low, medium, high. I don't know which. You think that way would be heat. We'll find out if I'm freezing later. So here we go, guys. This is it. This is my cool little tiny house Airbnb. There we see. You can see over there, and let's see if we can see down there. And I still have to figure out how I'm gonna get my ass back down this ladder. I might just be staying up here for 2 days. This is cool. This is pretty neat. I kind of want to sleep up here. Now, I don't know. I kind of want to sleep up here. But I just have to remember, you know, when I wake up, not to, crack my head open. Alright, guys. So thanks for checking out the Airbnb. I can tell I'm going to have to edit this video. I'm all over the place. It's been a long day. Like I said, I was supposed to get here at about 1, but I actually got into Orlando like at about 10:30 or something like that. But I stopped, I ate, I took the back way, and that's the beauty of solo travel. I'm pretty tired. I only had like a couple hours of sleep last night, and on the plane today there was a baby. I think somebody must have been trying to murder it in the back because it was screaming the whole time. So maybe I'll find a coffee shop tonight, edit some videos, and we'll see. So guys, as always, thanks for watching. Please like, give it a big old thumb up, leave some comments, let me know your thoughts. And if you aren't already, there'll be a little picture of me, I think, in that corner at the end of the video. Just click on that, subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell icon that'll pop up so you'll be notified when I make new videos. Alright guys, see you later. Non-smart things that I do. Hey Eric, let's try to go down this ladder not facing the correct way with a camera in your hand. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Oh yeah, this is scary. This is scary. I think I am going to make a turn here. There we go. That makes that not as stupid.